Hello standard 8s. Let's continue next topic, that is disease causing microorganism in humans. Before going to the topic, dear students, let's know a variety of microorganism causing disease, spoiling our food, damage our crops, clothes, paper and even leather goods. So now let's see first, that is microbial disease in man. Before going to the topic, let's know what is pathogen. Dear students, disease causing microorganism is called pathogens. Pathogens may be bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoa, etc. So these bacteria, virus, protozoa, fungi are pathogens. They causes various types of disease in human, plants and animals. Now let's see one by one. Let's see first microbial disease in man. Let's see first communicable disease. Dear students, the disease which can be spread from infected person to healthy person is known as communicable disease. Dear students, the pathogens enter the healthy person from infected one through the air we breathe, means when we breathe, pathogens enter in our lungs and causing various types of disease like common cold, influenza, सर्दी, खांसी, बुखार. इस तरह का डिजीज जो है हम लोगों को हो जाता है. अदर नेक्स्ट, that is the water we drink. When we drink water, then pathogens enter in our digestive system and causes diarrhea, dysentery, cholera, etc. The food we eat, if we eat dirty food, then pathogens enter in our digestive system and cause diarrhea, dysentery and cholera, and we will fall sick. Next, that is next mode of disease transmission, communicable disease transmission, are direct contact with infected persons. Dear students, when we come in direct contact with infected person, there is possibility we may suffer from various types of disease like measles, smallpox, chickenpox, even corona. Nowadays it is very common. If anyone is suffering from corona and you will go in contact with that person, then there is possibility you may suffer from such type of disease. So be aware. Beware. By the bite of mosquitoes, malaria disease is caused by female Anopheles mosquitoes. In the same way, dengue fever is caused by female Aedes mosquitoes. These all are communicable type of disease. By housefly, dear students, we know that houseflies, cockroach sit on garbage and this when fly, after that they sit on our uncovered food, and when the person eats uncovered food, they may fall sick and they may suffer from diarrhea, dysentery, cholera, such type of disease. So it is necessary to cover it food. Now let's see second one, that is microbial disease in domestic animals. Anthrax is a disease which is caused by bacteria in cattle, means cow and buffalo. One more, that is foot and mouth disease is caused by virus in cattle. काऊ और बुफेलो जो होती हैं उसके मुंह में, साइड में और पैर का जो टॉइज है, उसका फिंगर जो है, नेल्स, उसके बीच में घाव हो जाता है. उसी को बोलते हैं फुट एंड माउथ डिजीज, जो कि बहुत ज्यादा कॉमन है काऊ में, जो कि वायरस के कारण होता है. Now let's see next, that is microbial disease in plants. Some common disease caused by microorganism in plants are: first one is citrus canker, second rust of wheat, and third yellow vein mosaic of Okara in bhindi. Dear students, now let's see one by one. Citrus canker, it is caused by बैक्टीरिया एंड इज स्प्रेड बाय एयर. साइट्रस कैंकर जो है लेमन प्लांट या नींबू में एक तरह का बीमारी है. नींबू के ऊपर में ब्राउन कलर का स्पॉट्स नजर आता है, जिसको कि साइट्रस कैंकर डिजीज बोला जाता है. यह हवा के कारण फैलता है और माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म जो इसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है वो बैक्टीरिया होता है. नाउ सेकेंड वन, दैट इज रस्ट ऑफ व्हीट. It is caused by fungi and spread through air and seeds. Rust of wheat, wheat plant में ब्राउन रंग का पाउडर जैसा सब्सटेंस देखने को मिलता है. जब अगर हम लोग हाथ से उसको टच करेंगे ना तो हाथ में भी वो लग जाता है. ये एक तरह का फंगस है जो कि व्हीट प्लांट में हो जाता है. हवा और सीड से ये एक प्लांट से दूसरे प्लांट में फैल जाता है. Now, third one, that is yellow vein mosaic of Okara. It is caused by virus and spread by insects. Yellow vein mosaic of Okara जो भिंडी का प्लांट होता है, लेडी फिंगर का जो प्लांट होता है ना, उसका जो तना होता है, स्टेम होता है, लीव्स होता है, वो उसमें जो भेंस होता है वो पूरा येलो कलर का दिखाई देता है. ये डिजीज जो है ना एक्चुअली वायरस के कारण फैलता है और इंसेक्ट जो है इसको एक जगह से दूसरे जगह ट्रांसफर करने का काम करता है. ओके, these all are major disease caused by microorganisms in plants.